Sad news. Veteran actor Adebayo Salami, Oga Bello, opens up about battle with high blood pressure since age 27. Before we continue this bad news, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Veteran Nollywood legend Adebayo Salami, fondly known as Oga Bello, has opened up about his long-term health struggles, revealing that he has been managing high blood pressure since the age of 27. The actor, renowned for his contributions to Yoruba cinema and Nigerian entertainment at large, spoke candidly in a recent interview about how the condition has shaped his life and career. Decades of managing high blood pressure. Oga Bello explained that he was diagnosed with high blood pressure in his late 20s, a revelation that came as a shock at the time. I was young and full of energy, and hearing that I had a condition like high blood pressure felt overwhelming, he said. Over the years, he has learned to manage the condition through consistent medication, regular medical checkups, and lifestyle adjustments, including a healthier diet and stress management techniques. Importance of health awareness. In the interview, Oga Bello highlighted the importance of early detection and treatment of health conditions, urging Nigerians to take their health seriously. He noted that high blood pressure, often called the silent killer, can lead to severe complications if left unchecked. Many people ignore symptoms or avoid going to the doctor. I'm sharing my story to encourage everyone to be proactive about their health, he added. Oga Bello, who has been in the industry for over 4 decades, is not only a pioneer in Nollywood but also a role model for younger generations. As he continues to advocate for health awareness, he hopes his story will inspire others to prioritize their well-being. For more insights and exclusive interviews, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for updates on your favorite stars.